Did you just finish your college? Or maybe you have a year or two of work experience. But are you still figuring out how to build a solid career? Then listen carefully to this video because what I am going to share can change your career direction in just 4 days. You are motivated, you have big dreams, you want to grow in the private sector, you are ready to work hard, but you don't know where to start or how to grow your career fast. You are fighting hard for a good job, but nothing is clicking. Nobody is giving you a chance to prove yourself. And when companies hire, they either ask for experience or prefer students from top colleges only. I feel lucky that I got to build the career I wanted. I worked for 14 plus years on the business side thanks to my IIT and ISB degrees. I worked in companies like Tata Group and Ola in manager roles. After that, I started my own businesses. But one thing always bothered me. I did all this for myself. What about others? What about people who don't even get a good chance? Even if I am running a company, I can only give jobs to a few people. But there are lakhs of young, hardworking, sincere people who never get that first break and then they keep struggling in life. Then I saw what teachers like Khan Sir and Physics Wala are doing. They are changing lives through teaching. That's when I realized only a teacher can change lakhs of lives. So now I want to bring that same change but in private jobs. I want to help ambitious people who want to do something big in life. I want to support those who want to build a great career in the business world, in business development, sales, or marketing. That's why I am conducting a 4 days business career workshop. It's 100% free and will be live on Zoom. And in these 4 days, you will get trained for jobs in business, sales automation, inside sales, and marketing. You will do hands-on projects and assignments to build real skills. You will learn AI tools that are now used in these jobs. You will share your learning on LinkedIn. You will build a job portfolio that makes you stand out from the crowd. But our help doesn't stop at the workshop. My team will support you after that too. We will help you fix your resume. We will help you prepare for job interviews. We will help you get placed in companies that are hiring for these kind of roles. Our team already works with many companies to help them hire. So once you are job ready, we will recommend you to them. But listen, just because this is free doesn't mean you take it lightly. Only attend this workshop if you are ready to turn on your video and give full attention. You are ready to learn all the tools we teach. You are ready to share your learnings daily on LinkedIn so that others like you can benefit. You are ready to complete all your assignments and projects. If you are ready to do this, I promise my team and I will work just as hard to get you placed as you work to learn. So what are you waiting for? Go register now and make this the turning point in your career. Make a promise to yourself that you will use this workshop to build your career. Just imagine the day your job offer later comes in your email. Imagine that happiness on that day. I will be celebrating with you too. Let's grow together.